Guys, now let us understand how to create a question list. Why is it important to create a question list? Firstly, there are many questions. You need to find the appropriate question depending on your niche. The question which is belonging to your niche and the question you can give a good answer to. The question you are expert in, if you have knowledge about that question, if you can give a good explanation as an answer to that question, you will only choose that question. For example, if I search out Facebook ads, okay, this is my question. If I search out Facebook ads, I'll get many questions here, okay? That is what are some tips for marketing effectively on Facebook. Then do Facebook ad work? How effective are Facebook ad in generating actual sales? For example, let us go to this one, okay? And let us see how many answers. So this has 93 answers. This which affordable digital marketing course is best for a startup and small business owner. So this question has 93 answers. But our question, that is how effective are Facebook ads in generating actual sales? There are only 4 answers. So is it not great? Only 4 people for your competition. So you would be the 5th one and there would be not much of competition and you would be ranked also because there are no much answers, so that there is a competition for ranking up. So you need to, so what is the first thing you learn from here is that you need to find the questions where there is no more competition. Where is no competition, where is not, there is no more competition for ranking. You can be recommended, you can be identified, people can just get you. There is no much of, hard work, there is no much of work they need to do just to get your answer. So you would be ranked up. So the first thing what we learn from here, get your niche, okay? Find your niche. Questions only related to your niche means you can answer them. See, the things you're not interested in, you can't give a great answer to that questions. So for giving a great answer, for giving a great content that you connect with your people, when you are answering, people should connect with you through your answers. This is your content. People should connect to you with your content. So try to understand that thing. I am going to search out only my niche so that people connect to me. Then I don't want more competition because I am new in market. It is very easy. It is simple as taken. I am new in market. I don't want more competition. So find those questions which has less answers so I can be ranked. Thirdly, you need to give a great answer to them. A great answer. Okay. For example, let us search some other content like email marketing. Okay. No, I don't want to go in email marketing. I'll just search email marketing. Let me find some. Oh, it's a spelling mistake. Just a typo. Don't worry. What is the best email marketing tool? Which email marketing service is the best? For example, what is the best email marketing tool? Let us see this one. So how many replies do we have? We have 4 replies to the question, what is the best email marketing tool? Is there a free online sentiment analysis service for social media account? This has 100 plus answers, but this one has just 4 answers. So is it not a great deal for you guys? So you need to find which one is great for you with low competitions and great get response claims. See, if you look at their answers, these answers don't look so great for me. For me, I don't think it's a great one. So what we can do is, we can be that one that is offering a great answer where people will get connected to us. So this is a hack, guys. This is not a hack, just advice that create that answer that people get connected to you. And whenever next time they search any question, they'll find for your answer because they think they can connect to you, they can connect to your answers and they can understand in a better way through your answers. So your answer should be that powerful that people should try to find your answers on this platform. So this is how you're going to get your question list created for you, by searching out a niche, by finding those questions which has very less competition, and getting your question list done for you. So it's your time guys, to find out some questions for you to work on, to create answers for.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.